Hi everyone! Today we're coloring the cutest Christmas doggy, sitting on a sleigh, surrounded by presents and fully in holiday mode. I'm starting by laying down the base colors using my alcohol markers. At this stage, I'm not overthinking anything. I just want clean, even color to build on. Next, I move on to shadows. If you're a beginner, this page is actually really helpful because the gray areas already got you on where the shadows and highlights should go. You don't have to guess, just follow the shapes. Just a reminder that this coloring page is from my new coloring book, Christmas Dogs. For the shadows, I'm using colored pencils instead of markers. My markers have a thin tip and not a brush tip, so pencils give me more control and softer transitions. It's also a great option if you don't have a huge marker collection. This coloring session actually happened during a live stream, which made it extra fun. We all picked the colors together for the presents, the background, everything. I love to collaborate with all of you. One little tip I always follow is using at least two tones of the same color. Even a light and slightly darker shade can add so much dimension and make your coloring look more polished without being complicated. For the background, I kept it simple but very Christmassy. I added gold accents with trees, stars, and ornaments to give it a festive glow without overpowering the main character. And that's it. A cute little Christmas doggy ready for the holidays. Thank you so much for coloring with me, and let me know what you'd like to color together next.